You guys! After talking about transforming used packagings from my previous segment, I am hella inspired. So today, we're going to recreate famous art using packagings you have laying around the house. Or you can just watch me go at it. First, let's gather the material. Paper, plastic, foam, or whatever. You got them? Good. What? You didn't have enough time. Just pause the video. Just kidding. And depending on your material, also grab something to cut with and something that binds them together. You can also dust off those markers and craft materials you haven't used for years. Now, let's Google a famous art. It can be painting, sculptures, or macaroni pictures. Looking at the material you have, maybe you're inspired by their color, texture, or just the feel. I picked the painting of a horse from famous Chinese painter Xu Beihong. I'm going to upcycle this old print into my canvas. This is not about creating the exact replica. It's about creating what you like about the art. For me, I love the bold ink patches. I'm going to cut up my packagings into these rough shapes. Then I'm going to collage them together into the shape of that horse, and then finishing up with a Sharpie for all the small details. But what if you don't have anything you can use as a canvas? Well, you can always use the biggest piece of packaging, or don't use a canvas at all. Take a look at these ideas from #GettyMuseumChallenge. Recreate art and use your camera to capture the image. Heck, put yourself in there and become the famous art. My creation is done. Why so fast, you ask? I paused the video, duh. Now you don't have to sit through another montage. You're welcome. What do you think? Can you see the horse? Oh, tip, if your packaging touch food, do wash them out before using, because that's how you get ants. This is Bunny, your fashion voice with eco twist. Dance time.